Are you ready to take your email marketing to the next level with Systeme.io? Whether you're new to email campaigns or just looking to fine-tune your approach, you're in the right place. Let me guide you step by step on how to master this powerful tool and make email marketing simple, effective, and impactful. First, if you don't already have a Systeme.io account, don't worry. It's completely free to start. Just go to their website, sign up with your email address, and confirm your account. In no time, you'll be logged into your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. You'll manage everything from email campaigns to automations and funnels. Take a quick look around to familiarize yourself. Before you can send out any emails, you'll need a list of contacts. If you're just starting out and don't have one yet, that's no problem. Adding contacts is incredibly easy. Go to the Contacts tab, click on Create Contact, and fill in the basic details like name and email. It's that simple. If you already have a contact list, you can import it directly. Upload a CSV file and make sure to map the fields correctly. Here's a quick tip. Make sure your list is clean. No outdated or invalid email addresses. A clean list ensures better email deliverability and reduces the chance of your emails landing in the spam folder. Once your contact list is ready, it's time to create your first email campaign. Start by heading to the emails section and selecting campaigns. Click on Create Campaign and give it a name that makes it easy to recognize later. For example, if you're promoting a sale, you could call it Spring Discount or Flash Sale Campaign. Add a short description if you'd like, and then save it. Now comes the fun part, writing the actual emails. Start by filling in your sender details. Make sure your sender name and email address are professional and recognizable. Your audience needs to trust that the email is coming from you. Next, write an attention-grabbing subject line. This is your chance to hook your reader, so make it catchy and relevant. Something like exclusive offer inside or don't miss out, 50% off this weekend works great. Once you have the subject line, it's time to craft the email body. Keep your tone friendly and aligned with your brand. Use short paragraphs and bullet points to make it easy to read, and always include a clear call to action. Whether it's shop now, learn more, or download the guide, make sure your readers know what to do next. Systeme.io gives you two options for designing your email. If you prefer a clean text-based look, use the classic editor. If you want to add visuals, try the visual editor. It's super easy to drag and drop elements like images, buttons, and dividers to create an engaging layout. Before you hit send, always preview your email. Send a test email to yourself and check it on both desktop and mobile to make sure it looks great across all devices. First impressions matter, and this extra step can make a huge difference. Let's talk automation. One of the best features of Systeme.io is the ability to set up automated workflows. This means you can send targeted emails to your audience without lifting a finger. For example, you can create a welcome email series for new subscribers. Here's how it works. Set a trigger, like when someone subscribes to your mailing list. Then add actions, like sending a welcome email instantly, followed by a second email a day or two later with more information or a special offer. Automations like this not only save you time, but also help build trust and deepen your relationship with your audience. After you've sent your emails, it's time to measure your results. The stats section in your dashboard is where you'll find everything you need. Check your open rates to see how many people actually opened your email. If the numbers are low, you may need to tweak your subject lines. Look at your click-through rates to see how many people clicked on your links. If the CTR is low, your content or call to action might need some work. And don't ignore unsubscribes. If a lot of people are opting out, It could mean you're sending too many emails or your content isn't resonating with your audience. Use these metrics to improve your strategy. Try different subject lines, sending times, and email designs to see what works best. With Systeme.io, email marketing becomes a breeze. You have everything you need to connect with your audience, nurture leads, and drive real results. The key is to stay consistent and always focus on delivering value. Experiment, refine, and keep learning from your campaigns. If you found this helpful, stick around for more tips to grow your business. Now go ahead and start creating those winning emails. I can't wait to see what you achieve.